Big changes are coming to your streaming experience, and they might just shake up the entire industry. Amazon is reportedly set to unveil Vega OS as the new operating system for Fire TV devices, potentially replacing Android as early as next week. But here's where it gets controversial. While this move could signal a bold step toward greater independence from Google's ecosystem, it also raises questions about compatibility, app availability, and the future of existing Fire TV hardware. Are we witnessing the dawn of a new era in streaming technology? Or is Amazon biting off more than it can chew? After years of speculation, leaks, and subtle hints, the tech giant appears ready to pull the curtain back on Vega OS. According to a report by Lopez on The Verge, Amazon's September 30th event is expected to be the stage for this major announcement. While Amazon has remained tight-lipped about the specifics, a now altered job listing inadvertently spilled the beans. The posting sought an engineering leader to help build a Vega OS product for Prime Video Fire TV, promising a 2025 launch. Once the listing's mention of Vega OS was spotted, Amazon swiftly removed it, a move that only fueled the flames of curiosity. And this is the part most people miss. Vega OS isn't exactly a new project. Reports dating back to 2023 revealed Amazon's ambitions to ditch Android, and the company has reportedly been testing the new OS behind closed doors. Earlier this year, whispers of Amazon collaborating with major publishers to develop all new apps for the platform further solidified its commitment to Vega OS. However, the transition won't happen overnight. Amazon has confirmed it has no plans to bring Vega OS to existing Fire TV devices, meaning Android will stick around for a while longer. In fact, the company is still rolling out Android updates for current hardware, ensuring users aren't left in the lurch. Here's where it gets even more intriguing. While Amazon is reportedly abandoning Android for Fire TV, it's simultaneously embracing it for its Fire tablet lineup. The company is said to be phasing out its forked Fire OS in favor of a full Android experience on tablets. But, and this is where it gets tricky, Amazon might still offer lower-priced tablets running Vega OS instead. Talk about a mixed message. Is this a strategic play to diversify its OS offerings, or a recipe for confusion among consumers? Controversial take alert. Could Amazon's dual approach to Android and Vega OS be a calculated move to hedge its bets in an increasingly competitive market? Or is it a sign of internal indecision about the future direction of its devices? Weigh in below. Do you think Vega OS will revolutionize the streaming experience? Or is Amazon spreading itself too thin? For those keeping score, this isn't just about operating systems. It's about control, innovation, and the battle for dominance in the smart TV and tablet spaces. As Amazon charts its course, one thing is clear. The tech landscape is about to get a whole lot more interesting. What's your take? Are you excited for Vega OS? Or do you think Amazon should stick to what works? Let the debate begin.